we got a killer deal on this Dewalt chainsaw. This is a 60 bolt max 16-inch chainsaw. Big shout out to Rocky Cruz at Deal Team 6 for posting this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Got the 60 volt max 16-inch brushless battery powered chainsaw with a kit with one flexible 3 amp hour battery, which is a 9 actually, but on 60 volts it's a 3 amp hour. So you're getting a 9 with this one. So this one's $369. If you guys go down here to the free gift with purchase, you're gonna go down here to the select this item. So that you're gonna select a 9 amp hour battery. I don't know if this is a glitch or not, but they do offer a free tool, and they already offer a battery with the tool. So you add both to the cart. Alright, let's see what would come up. For the 9 amp hour battery, $115. I think that's a pretty good deal. It's not a killer deal on this one, but it's pretty good because it is a 9 amp hour battery for $115. That is a dang good deal on that one. But the best deal is this chainsaw, guys. $253 for a 9 amp hour battery and a chainsaw. That's a really good deal on this one. This one's a 16-inch 60 volt chainsaw. Guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.